In this video, you will learn how to navigate and find data for a county. In this example, we will use the low birth weight data layer, which is in the Health Indicators category. There are several ways to see data for a particular county. First, let's work within the map itself using the search box. Type the name of the location. I would like to see information about Clay County, Mississippi, and as I type the words, a drop-down list appears. I can select from among the options. Once I select the location, the map zooms in to that county. If you select anywhere inside the county outline, a box appears with more information, including the value for each data layer selected. Here we selected only low birth weight, but if I select more health indicators, such as obesity and prenatal care, and return to select within the map, the pop-up windows show information for each of those layers. Let's remove those extra layers and clear the search box. Another way to find data on a specific county is by using the data table. In the state column, type in the state you are interested in. Here we enter Mississippi, then in the county column, we type Clay County. The data table filters the low birth weight data to show only the value for the state and county combination you have asked for. To clear a measure from the map, scroll down below the categories and select the Reset button. Now you know how to find more detail on a county. If you want more information, access the complete user guide or contact us.